This is my Yaesu FT-920. Yes. You can see encoders are supposed to spin, real nice. This one, oh man, that feels wrong, is seized. So, I've got a new encoder. We're going to take it apart and see how easy it is to change. There shouldn't be any soldering. It's just an electrical connector and some screws. Let's take the case off and see what's under her guts. Okay, we got the lid off. It was just a bunch of screws on the side and then a bunch on the back here, back corner, down, middle, all the way around. Either way, it doesn't matter. I still can't get to the encoder, so it looks like this has to come off. Yay. It actually looks like we can take the bottom off, so I'm going to try that. And then there's some clips here. This front face might come off, and let us get to that. Ooh, radio guts. Well, we'll pull these clips and see if we can get this face off without breaking anything. Oh, looks like it wants to move. I'm gonna put the camera down and see if I can get it off. Okay, I took this off with the 4 screws, and then I realized I looked at the service manual that this just tilts down to get to it. I didn't need to disassemble this whole front panel. So now I gotta get a socket to get this off. It looks scratched up like somebody's changed it before, so this must be a known issue. Success. Oh, I'm gonna need both hands, sorry. Okay, now I just gotta follow this little wire. I think it's this one. And she should come right out. And we can put the new one in, which I hope is correct. Looks a little different. So it is indeed different, but the connectors are the same. Wire colors are different, so I'm wondering if this is from a newer radio. It's a used encoder, it's not a new one. So it could just be a newer model radio. And Yaesu could have switched it through the production. But we'll disconnect this, plug the new one in, and screw it back in. Okay, got the new one in. Screw it on tight here. I'll tighten this up with a tool, and then we'll reassemble the front panel. Okay, we got the course adjustment back on. I only have 2 screws for it. This has definitely been taken apart before because there's a bunch of screws missing. And this one's cross-threaded. But the threads were already destroyed on that one. You can see, if this will focus, how destroyed my old one is. It's so grooved from slipping. So, glad we changed it. I can't even move it with my fingers. It's so seized. But we'll get the covers put back on this and give her a test. Okay, after all that and all the dust that came out, it's all over my mat now. I got 2 extra screws. It's like you always have extra screws. But VFO spins now. Course adjustment works. B obviously still works. So we'll turn it on and we'll see if it works. Well, god damn it. Oh wait, do I have it on a lock? I do. Okay, well that scared the hell out of me. It works. See if course adjustment works. Yep, course adjustment works. See if we can't find somebody here. Oh, he sounds really bad. Asking. A little bit of noise reduction. There we go. I was shifted to the left.
Vacation. Oh, well, you know.
Well, there she is.
Retired, Bill, every day's a vacation.
Thanks for watching.